Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox with a keyboard and mouse. Unfortunately, Rainbow Six Siege does not natively support keyboard and mouse input on Xbox consoles. While Xbox does allow some games to use these peripherals, this specific title requires a workaround. To achieve this setup, you'll typically need a third-party adapter. These devices translate your keyboard and mouse inputs into controller signals, making the game believe you are using a standard Xbox controller. It's crucial to understand that while many Xbox games, especially first-person shooters and strategy titles, do offer native keyboard and mouse support, Rainbow Six Siege is not one of them. This means simply plugging in your devices won't work. The game is designed for controller input on consoles, and using alternative methods without official support can lead to an uneven playing field in competitive scenarios. To bypass the lack of native support, players often use third-party adapters like the XIM Apex or Cronus Zen. These devices act as a translator, converting your keyboard and mouse actions into signals that your Xbox recognizes as controller inputs. The setup typically involves connecting the adapter to your Xbox, then plugging in your keyboard, mouse, and a controller into the adapter itself. These adapters can be quite an investment, sometimes costing over $100. It's important to know that using these adapters might go against the game's terms of service, potentially leading to account penalties. Ubisoft has even implemented a system called Mousetrap to detect and penalize players using keyboard and mouse on consoles by adding input lag. Many players also view this method as unfair in competitive matches, as it can provide an advantage over controller users. Consider the implications before investing in such a setup. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Always play fair and enjoy your gaming experience responsibly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.